Yep, that's me. Hey fashion flies, welcome back to my channel. That's so Allegra. I'm Allegra for those who don't know. So today I just wanted to do a kind of thrift flip vlog, talk through quarantine crafts type of video. I got some stuff out of my closet, which is extremely overloaded, but I found some things that I don't wear anymore or it can't fit me anymore, so I'm gonna just change them into other things. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Also, my giveaway is still open until this Friday, and Saturday I will reveal the winner and they will receive the cash app and we will move on into other things. But yeah, make sure you check out my DIY face mask video if you haven't. It's going to have the information about the giveaway, all the steps needed to be taken to win, and yeah. Let me show you guys what I found in my closet. Hold on. Turn off these ring lights because we don't need to run the electric bill. So these scraps was a dress, which I'll insert a clip of how it looked before, and I pretty much cut it up. And after I cut it up, I was like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this, but I cut it up, it's in pieces. So I thought about making a cowl neck top because I have a front piece here. Oh, that's not a back teeth. That's not a back piece. That's a sleeve. Okay, so I have two pieces that can be the front and the back. The shirt. So, I'm debating on making it one of two tops, like this little crop top with like a ruffle and it's fitted, or the cowl neck. But I may go with the ruffle just because I've already made a cowl neck top on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, by the way. So I think I'm going to be different with this one. So let me just figure out the patterns I need. So I'm going to go sketch.
I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Yeah! Yeah! And some of these, and some of these. Almost there, and done.
Alright, so let me show you guys my blueprint. Okay, so this is the ultimate top and how it's going to look. The front piece is going to be like this with like a little curve, and then the back is going to be the same length as that and the same width at the bottom. And the gathered part, I'm gonna have to make a very long piece in this shape and then just gather it. It may not even be that, have to be this shape. I'm gonna actually just see if I can just do a rectangle and see where it goes. And then two straps, and we're gonna mix it all together and get this shirt. So let's get started. To update you guys, so I've already made the little swoop that's gonna be there, and this is my back piece, and now I'm gonna work on that piece that I need to gather. So now I'm gonna just gather this piece at the top, and so that it fits this piece. So I'm gonna go to my sewing machine, and I'm watching Gossip Girl. This is how she's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and gather up the top some more, and then we're going to move on to adding the back and a facing for the straps. Alright, so I pinned the straps in between the facing that I just cut out, and I'm going to overlock stitch. But first I'm going to go ahead and do a straight stitch and overlock stitch at the top, and then fold it over and sew it down. Alright guys, so I put her on the mannequin just to kind of see where she's at, and the top part is a little too long. I kind of want it to be a little shorter than this, maybe like, well actually, my mannequin's just way smaller than me, so it may still look good. It's gonna be upwards. I definitely, then I can wear a bra with it. It may be a little too high, so I'm gonna seam rip and just sew it maybe another inch lower. So I'm going to seam rip this and just hit the refresh button, which sometimes happens during sewing projects. So be right back. Alright, Fashion Flies, it is the last day I will be working on this top, and it is also the last day that my giveaway will be open. Tomorrow it will be closed, and I will announce the winner, so make sure you followed all the steps so you can be more likely to win. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish this top up, add the back and the lacing, and show you guys the results. Okay, so I've added a back piece already. I had to piece together other parts of the dress. I made sure I kept the hem symmetrical with the other hem. And I just folded over the top, did a straight stitch across, and put it right sides together, straight stitch down. All I have to do is overlock stitch to stop it from fraying and get that hair out the way. And then I'm doing the same thing over here. I just haven't sewed it down yet. And then we're gonna move on to adding the lace up parts, and yeah. Make sure you add thread to your bobbin before you try to sew. Using the sleeve piece, I'm going to just cut where those lines are and create some strips. 4 of them I'm going to connect to make one long, what am I doing? 4 of them I'm going to connect to make one long string that's going to be lacing up the back, and then one is going to be used to be the loops that the lace will go through. So, time to cut it. Alright, so as you guys can see, the strip that's going to be the loop is about 17.5 inches, but I'm going to just cut it off at 16 and make each loop 2 inches wide, so that way I have a total of 8 and 4 on each side. Alright guys, so I pinned a facing on the right side of the fabric with the loop, so that when I sew down, I flip it over, sew down again, and everything is nice and neat. For the straps in the back, I realized I didn't even have to hem that because I can add a facing there when I put the strap, and that could have been seamless, but whatever. I still made add another facing. But I'm going to go ahead and sew this down and be right back. Alright guys, I'm going to get the strap and do a straight stitch and back stitch so that it stays in place. And I'm going to overlock stitch everything and insert the strap and then show you guys the results. BRB. Alright guys, so this is how the tops looks front and back. As you can see, I should have made the lace up strap longer, which I can still do because I have more fabric, but I was just ready to get this over with. But I think it's cute, and I styled it with some black jeans, and you know, it's a cute little top. It is a little snug for me because, like I said, I had to pull extra tight because my lace wasn't long enough. But when I make, someone's outside, but when I make a longer one, I won't have to pull as tight, and it will give me more room. But today I have to suck it in. But yeah, I think it's cute. I like it with the black jeans. I don't have to wear a bra, which I love because honestly in the summer I don't like wearing bras or jeans. I like skirts. So unless I'm inside, but if I'm outside at like a barbecue or something, I'm not about to close myself up. I need to breathe. Okay. But yeah, I think it's super cute, and I hope you guys like it. And yeah, let me know if you want me to do more videos like this where I just kind of talk to you guys versus just, you know, a flat out tutorial, which I still like to do, but I want to get a little more personal. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked it, and until next time.